Okay, are you in the market for a Range Rover? They don't come much better than this for the money. On a 72, massive factory spec car. This one, it's a D350 Autobiography, long wheelbase with 7 seats. And what about this for a colour? It is absolutely beautiful. Not just the colour for the exterior, it's a Ligurian black satin factory paint, but it also has the Caraway interior. Electric steps, shadowline exterior, 23-inch wheels. The Autobiography spec is massive on this car. Meridian signature sound system, SV steering wheel. It's an unbelievable car for the money. Now, it's got full Land Rover service history on a 72, 23,000 miles, and it's a pretty rare car. Now, what is probably going to sell this, not only the exterior and interior look, but it is the long wheelbase 7-seater. So you can fit 7 full-size adults in this car. It's very, very special indeed. Everything's done electrically as well, from the seat operation, so we can do this. But if you look at the spec on this car, being Autobiography, being D350, it's the D350, it's the bigger diesel engine. It doesn't want for anything, so the better Meridian signature sound system, heated, ventilated, massage front seats, heated, ventilated rear seats, sliding roof, head-up display, and it's just an absolute beauty. Going to be advertising it for £94,990. Like I say, full Land Rover service history, split tailgate, obviously assisted tailgate. And if you look in the left-hand side, or sorry, the right-hand side of here, you'll see that we have a cluster of buttons for all your seat fold. We can fold these 2 back seats off these buttons here. And then you can have 5 seats, you can have 6 seats, whatever you want to do. And it's just a lovely, lovely example, this car. Rubber boot mat in place. We've also got rubber floor mats for this car as well. But if you look at the paint on this vehicle, it is beautiful. Keyless entry, soft closed doors, just a great car. Now, Autobiography specification doesn't come standard with the shadow line, so that's the darker atlases, the darker under doors, the 23-inch wheels, another option. Digital LED lights to the front and rear sensors, 360 camera. There's going to be somebody out there looking for one of these cars. I'm sure if you are, give me a call on my number on the screen. It's beautiful inside as well. So 23,195 miles on the clock. This is a car when you sit in it that it just gives you a feeling like no other 4-wheel drive, really, just through the finishes, through the roof lining. So we've obviously got leather throughout this car, top doors, roof, vanity mirrors. SV steering wheel finished in that gloss finish to the external. Obviously the Caraway is that's what the brown colour is. It just looks beautiful. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise, switchable driver cockpit. We've then got head-up display. The Meridian signature sound system, which is probably missing in a lot of these Autobiographies when you get these cars. This is, on this age, they did put it in. You've got the speaker on the top dash, mid dash, lower doors. And then we've got the grand black veneer through the centre. Ventilated, heated, massage seats to the front, wireless phone charging. We've got the 360 camera system, which I'll show you. That's top view camera, reversing camera, 3D surround view camera. Of course, heated wheel. This is just a great car. I'm going to put it into park and I'm going to just show you. So you've got wireless smartphone integration in this car. Obviously 4-wheel drive and terrain settings all. I mean, it's a great off-road, but you can control front row, second row and third row from the screen at the front. And of course, as I've mentioned, we've got the massage function for the front seats, including ventilated and heated seats, heated and ventilated rear seats as well. What a car. It's the bigger diesel engine, the D350, and the electric step option now, if you wanted that on one of these cars, is £4,000 from factory. But that Ligurian black satin paint is stunning, isn't it? And just a massive factory spec car, this, that we couldn't replace if we tried. So if you're interested, my name's Richard, my number's going to be on the screen after this video very shortly. Give me a call, we'll have a chat about your part exchange, how you want to buy it. Thanks for watching.